Today's make it at home is fake snow. It's super simple, just 2 ingredients. In your supply bag, you have a 1-pound box of baking soda and 1 can of shaving foam. That is the sensitive skin formula. You need to provide a large container to mix it all in. So this is the final product. And I am going to use gloves because I discovered that I do not like the sensation of baking soda on my hands. So that's something to consider if you are making this. It's not terrible, but it's not something that I enjoy. So baking soda and shaving cream is incredibly clean. Baking soda is often used as a cleaning product, and shaving foam is obviously a bath product, so just things to consider. Alright, so this is my large container, and like I said, I had already made some, so I'm just going to dump that in there. You're going to end up using about a 1-to-1 ratio when you make this, but it's just kind of fun to mess with. It does hold shape pretty well, so you could build tiny little snowmen if you'd like. Alright, so the directions say to dump the whole box of baking soda. I'm going to do that for fun. If you guys want to make a smaller amount, you can measure it out, or you can just eyeball it, but it's up to you. If you do save some, you can make it again in the future. So we're just going to dump all that out. Alright, and then you just add the shaving foam. You do want to shake that bottle beforehand. And then you can spray a little bit in at a time. So there's quite a bit left in the can, but I'm going to go ahead and mix this. And you can use your hands, you can use a fork or a spoon. Just want to make sure that all of the foam gets mixed into the powder. You can, if you have some scented oils, you can add that for some scent therapy. But the scent of the shaving foam is actually pretty nice. It's not like a tree or what snow would smell like, but it's a clean smell. Alright, so that's pretty good actually. It's a little sticky, good for forming things with. So I am not going to add any more shaving foam. And there you go. So like I said, it's just a fun little mixture. Super easy to make, fun to play with, not messy. And you want to store it in an airtight container. Simple plastic container with a lid works. I suppose you could use a plastic bag that closes if you'd like. Just make sure that it's big enough. It does lose fluffiness over the days, but it's super simple to make, so you could easily make more. There you go. Just a fun little quick activity. Be sure to pick up your supply pack in the Yaz. We have plenty, and we have a few left over from the previous weeks as well. One other nice sensation is that it's cooling, so it's kind of nice to play with. Alright, I hope you all have a wonderful holiday break and a happy new year, and we will see you again in 2021. Thanks for watching.